Google just quietly changed the future of AI video creation. No announcements, no emails, no hype. But right now, you can generate unlimited AI videos using Google's most advanced model, VEO3, completely free. And once this is gone, it's gone.
If you recognize that voice, yes, this is the Isaac AI voice. If you want to use the exact same voice for your own videos, I've linked the voice cloning software I'm using down in the description. You can set it up in minutes, and if you want a detailed video on that, then tell me in the comments. Now, back to the real reason you're here, because what Google is letting you do with VEO3 right now is absolutely wild. So watch this carefully because I'll show you exactly how to unlock it step by step before Google shuts the door. Normally, Google VEO3 is paid and limited to 100 credits. That's barely enough to test it. But right now, there's a trial loophole that gives you full access for 30 days. And yes, creators are already using this quietly. Let me show you how. First, open Google and sign in with any Gmail account. It can be personal, new, or old. Doesn't matter. Now, search for Gemini Business. Click the official website and choose sign up for a free trial. This creates a trial business account, and that's the key. Once you're logged in, you'll land inside Gemini with access to VEO3, completely free. Quick reminder. If you find this helpful so far, like the video and subscribe, because I share tools like this before they blow up. Alright, let's test this. I'm going to paste a simple prompt. Click Tools, then Create with VEO. This automatically uses Google's latest VEO3 model. Hit Generate. After a short wait, you'll get an 8-second cinematic video clip, just like Google Flow, but without credit limits. And look at this, HD quality video with no watermark and natural motion. You can download it instantly. Now before we move on, if you want to know how to create giant animals eating videos with AI, click the I button. It's trending right now. Now let's push it harder. I'm testing a UGC-style ad prompt, the hardest type to generate. Lip sync, realistic speech, natural facial expressions. And honestly, this shocked me. The voice sync feels real. Movements look human. Perfect for product ads. This alone can save you thousands in production costs. Now let me show you how to build a complete 3D animated story from scratch. First, search English Short Stories PDF. Pick any story you like. Paste it into ChatGPT. Use a GPT specifically designed for VEO3 prompts. Generate prompts scene by scene. Copy each prompt into VEO3 and generate clips one by one. If you get an error, regenerate once. If it fails again, simplify the prompt. Add the storyline plus visual style manually. That fixes it almost every time. Download all clips. Open any editor. I'm using CapCut. For voiceover, I use 11 Labs Bella Voice, perfect for storytelling. Place the voiceover on the timeline, match scenes, and you're done. No watermark, no copyright issues, no advanced editing skills needed. You also get access to Nano Banana Pro, completely free. Use ChatGPT to generate a thumbnail prompt. Paste it into Gemini, select Nano Banana Pro, and generate. Professional quality thumbnails in seconds. This free access lasts 30 days. After that, you can upgrade to an affordable plan or use another Gmail and repeat the process. But don't wait, Google will close this once enough people jump in. If you have questions, drop them in the comments. I reply to all. Like, subscribe, and share this with anyone who creates content. Good luck and use this wisely.